Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log a phone call in HubSpot CRM so you can keep your CRM updated and maintain seamless communication with your contacts. Start by logging into your HubSpot account from the homepage. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the CRM section and click on Contacts to view all your stored contacts. Next, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the contact you want to log a call for. Click on their name to open their detailed profile, which shows a timeline of all interactions with that contact. Within the contact profile, locate the More button and select Log a Call from the drop-down menu. This opens a dialog where you can enter the call details, date, time, outcome, and any notes or summaries you want to add. Accurate notes are key for tracking discussions and follow-ups. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and tips.